Well, this is not my typical video, as you will see, but it's been something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I recently had foot surgery, so I'm convalescing for quite a few weeks, and I needed something to occupy my time during these long winter days. You know, most hunters are conservationists and enjoy watching non-game species, and what better way to enjoy the outdoors than bird watching? I'm also making this for the beginning birder who might not know the different species of birds, so we're going to identify a few throughout the video. I hope you enjoy. Well, it is 2022, Christmas Day, and this is the first time we've had a white Christmas since 2010, and before that was 2004. So white Christmases are very rare here in central Kentucky, but it's beautiful and I love it. Well, the first species on our list is one that everybody will be familiar with. One of the most beautiful birds in the state, and our state bird, the northern cardinal. Here we have a female and a male showing the distinctive differences in coloration. The female being drab to protect her when she's on the nest, and the male, of course, being bright and colorful like most male species are. Now here we have a white crowned sparrow, which is very similar to a white-throated sparrow, and it's really hard to distinguish the two with a quick glimpse, but I was able to catch some fleeting video of this one to show you what it looks like. Now another woodpecker that'll visit your feeder, especially if you have a suet cake like this, is the downy woodpecker. It's a frequent visitor, and it also has a cousin called the hairy woodpecker that looks almost identical to it, and they're very hard to tell apart even when they're sitting still on a feeder like this. This is a song sparrow. They don't usually feed at the feeder, but on the ground beneath. One way to tell it apart from other sparrows is this distinctive spot on its chest. Now, this is a northern mockingbird. They don't feed in the feeder itself, but they're hanging around sometimes in the winter with the other birds, and obviously you'll see them in the spring with their mating calls and making a lot of noise. A frequent but fleeting visitor to your bird feeder is a white-breasted nuthatch. They're really hard to catch on camera because they get in and get out really quickly.